Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone name. Keep watching till the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps. Also, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's get into the video. First things we're going to do is go to Settings, scroll down to General, and then at the top you will see About. So tap on About, and then all the way on the top you say the name, and it says now iPhone. So you can change this name to whatever you want. So I will change it to my iPhone. And then save. So now my name of the iPhone is my iPhone. The second thing you can change, if we go back, go to your Apple ID. So this name you can change as well. So press on this one. And then at the top, name, phone number, email, press this one. It will load. And then at the top, it will say the name. So first name. You can have an optional second name or middle name, and the last, your last name. So if you have changed this one, press on done, and this one will be saved as well. So this is how you change your iPhone name.